Ah. Hi, I'm Tyler Doble telling you the dangers of regular dishwasher powder. It's a store brand, so if you're judging me, you're overpaid. This is a Blunder Buss, just a musket, very high recoil, only fires a range about 4 feet. And this is just a little bit of black powder. Now, just to show you quite how dangerous, I won't use any projectiles, but just show you quite how powerful one is on regular black powder. I'll put some in here. Hold on a second. That'll be enough for priming it. Right. Pretty cool. Now if I stand back and fire it, that was pretty deadly, I'm sure you'll admit. Now, I'll just show you again what happens if unloaded, unprimed. Nothing. Nothing at all. Now this just regular dishwasher powder, you might think perfectly harmless, doesn't have anything apart from irritant if you eat it. Let's show you quite, I don't design these things for people, what it can do. As you can see, that is a lot more deadly than just regular black powder, and they sell this. A child could buy this, and look. I think that's it spent now, yeah. Nothing. But yeah, that's just to show you how deadly regular dishwasher powder is. Thank you.